Want to make a great prop book for your next spooky adventure? Find out how in the next
AweVenture!
A few years ago, me, my girlfriend, and my oldest son worked together to create this book, a potion book that we created for my youngest son's birthday. Now, we used the techniques in Lowe's designs and came up with something that I really think fits what we were going for. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own spooky adventure book by following those techniques. So let's go ahead and get going. In order to do this, you're going to need a few items. You'll need an old book, foam sheets, Mod Podge, paints, brushes, scissors, a crafting knife, a few paper towels, and possibly parchment or regular paper, and a printer. And don't worry, I'll include links to all of these items and a link to Lowe's Designs' original post in the notes below. Now there's two ways to do the cover of the book. You can go with just a symbol, which I did on the smaller book, or you can go with a symbol and a label, which I did on the bigger book. So in order to do this symbol, what you want to do is simply draw it out on a foam sheet, and then once you've got it drawn out, cut it out from the sheets. Now I used a couple sheets. You may find that you need more or less depending on what you're doing. The next thing you want to do is you want to create a border. You can simply cut strips out and then place those around the book to create a border. You're also going to use these strips to create raised edges on your spine. Don't worry about any gaps that you might see in the foam. It's going to get covered up. Next, you want to glue your pieces to your book. You want to create a foam border around the front as well as little foam ridges along your spine. And then you can place your symbol in the middle of your book. Once you have all your foam pieces glued down in place and dry, go ahead and lay down your paper towels. Now, once you get those paper towels in place, you're going to want to cover them with Mod Podge. Now, you're going to use way more than you think you need. Once you think you've got enough, you probably need more. What you're really doing is wetting that paper towel so it eventually will take the shape of whatever you're putting on there. If you've chosen to use a label, now is the time to put it on. Go ahead and put the label down and then glue the foam pieces around it to inset it. Once you've done that, the last thing you want to do is paint it. Now you can paint it all one color, make it seem really realistic, or you can do like I've done and create it in several different colors, whatever works for you. And once the paint is dry, you have your spooky adventure book to use in whatever adventures you have planned. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure and like this video below. And if you have any ideas for future videos, please comment below. If you like what you see and you'd like to see more, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.